October 29th, 2009. Jaipur. At Indian Oil's terminal in Sanganer, the evening shift had just begun. 4 crew members were prepping a motor spirit tank, 401A for a routine fuel transfer. Then, a leak. A hammer-blind valve at the base of the tank failed, sending a high-pressure jet of fuel into the air. Vapors filled the terminal. One operator collapsed instantly. 2 others tried to respond and lost consciousness. The 4th had left early. With no one left to act, the leak continued for 75 minutes. By then, a vapor cloud nearly a kilometer wide had formed, bound by the terminal's own walls, invisible, deadly. Then, a spark. The blast tore through the site, buildings shattered, flames rose sky high. 11 lives were lost. The fire burned for 11 days. No shutdown valves, no remote emergency system, no alarms, no written procedures for that task. It wasn't just a leak. It was a design flaw, a systems failure, and a disaster waiting to happen. In the aftermath came hard questions and harder truths. Safety isn't just about protocol, it's about preparation, responsibility, and action. Because in places like this, silence isn't safety. It's danger, and every second counts.